Okay, I'm back. So there it is, baby. All strapped down and folded. The E Mini B by Emmo. This is a folding bike, 20-inch tires. And this is how I transported it here today to a little spot where I'm going to do some testing. As you can see, it's folded down nicely, and I have it strapped down so it won't move around. So we're going to pull this baby out and we're going to look it over. The E Mini B by Emmo, a folding bike. Okay, so I have it out of the truck, and this is the baby all folded up. Even the handles flop down. Okay, see, handle there. Okay. So this is not a bad little unit if you want to fold it. Now I haven't put it in my car yet to see how that works, but I'm pretty sure it'll fit in the back of my hatch of my car. And it has basically saved me a lot of worries about putting it in the garage. I actually keep this inside the house. I fold it down and I put it inside the house. So anyways, I'm going to unfold this thing here and show you all the little bells and whistles on here, so you can have a better idea of how this e-bike works. Okay, so I'm going to open it up and let you see how it works here. So this is relatively new. I've only ridden this maybe a couple of times since I've got the bike. What I'm going to do is I'm going to unfold it. It's a little bit tight right now because it's still new, so I'm going to struggle a little bit, but it's okay. Okay. Put that there. Okay, as I said, it's tight, and okay, click and clamp. Okay, that's real time. Okay, so we're almost done putting it together. All we have to do now is put the handlebar up. Here's your clamp. Snap it in. Okay? So your e-bike is ready at this point to rock and roll. Look at that beauty, eh? Okay. So I'm going to get the camera a little closer so we can show you all the little specs and all the fun little toys that's on here. Okay, so this is the baby here. Let's go around it here. That is where your battery is. Okay, that's the unit right there. And this is a clamp for the seat. Okay, let's do that. And you can make adjustments. As you can see, I put a little piece of tape there to keep the same spot that I like. Okay, and here's your foot pedal. Okay, a simple pop up and pop down, and she's good to go. Okay, that is a hub. It's a hub drive. Okay, backlight, and let's go around here. Now you have collapsible pedals, so all you got to do, I'm doing this with one hand. Okay, pull that like that, and away you go. Everything is nice and tight right now, so that's why it took me a couple of seconds here to get that pedal going. But you have collapsible pedals. Okay, here's the latch to get the bike folding. Okay, this is the folding mechanism. So you have two locks. You have the lock that's in here right now, and you bring this over like so, and you bring that down, so that's not going anywhere. Yep, that's as far as it goes. Okay, good. These are 20-inch tires, tube. Okay, and here is the mechanism for your handlebars. You have two latches. You have one latch here that releases it, and then you pop down. Okay, like so, and you bring it back up. Okay, snap it into place, and this second latch here latches in, so your bike handle is not going to pop off. And you can also raise the handlebars again right here. Okay, you have your handbrakes here. Okay, now let's go to the battery and put the key in. If I can find the key. Okay, so your key goes in here, right here, like so. You push it in. It's in the off position right now. Okay, and turn, that's in the on position. And to get it out, you turn it all the way. So see the three positions here: on, off, and right here. To unlock, you push in. Okay, so we're going to put it in like so. Put it in the on position because we're going to show you it firing up. Let's go to the front here. That's your controller. This is your light, and this is your gear control right here, and this is the unit that starts it up. So right now, as it is, you can, nothing is on. As you can see, the controller, there's nothing that you can see that's on. Right now, as it is, you can ride the bike as normal, a normal bike. And it's not bad. I've ridden it, and I thought it would be really tough with the fat tires, but no. Believe it or not, once you adjust your gears here, just like any other bike, you know, the up and down gears, you have 7, okay? You'll find a gear, and you'll be able to ride this comfortably, okay? And again, depending on how tall you are or how big you are, you can raise the seat, or you can raise the handlebars as well too. I gotta straighten my seat out in a second because when I unclamped it down here, I didn't straighten it out. But anyways, that's gonna take 2 seconds to do. Okay, so you have a bell right here. Now these particular bikes, a lot of companies are carrying them. Some of them are slightly different, some of them are the exact same. I'm not gonna say what other companies carry this, but you know, so it's going to be easy to get parts in the future, and maintaining this thing would be not too bad because pretty well everyone has the same type of bike. So a lot of companies are just getting it and putting their name on it, you know what I mean? So I've seen this particular model a few times with different names on it. So it's out there. Okay, so to start it up, you press the middle M here, and it's alive. Okay, tells you the battery light, so it's fully charged. I've done about 10 kilometers on this thing already. This tells you the speed you're going. Okay, and this here is the different levels that you can ride in as pedal assist. Okay, and this here is your throttle. Okay, now to get pedal assist, as you can see right now, it's a number 1. You can bring it down to 0. Okay, you can go to 1 pedal assist, 2 pedal assist, 3. Now 3, you're pushing it. This is a fast bike. I was toggling with a pedal assist 1 and 2, and that was going fast. And then I decided to go 4, and this bike shot out on me. And I didn't really realize there's a 5. Okay, so this is plenty of power. Now this bike, they have it set for the laws here in Toronto, Ontario, Canada, for 32 kilometers an hour. Okay, but you're going with level 3 and above and pedal assist, you're gonna go way beyond that. Okay, So I'll show you that in part 2. Okay, so let's get it back down here. Boink, boink, that, and that. Okay, and let's get it back to 0. Okay, so take a look at that. I'm enjoying it so far. I'm enjoying it so far. Okay, so the controller here, if you go right here, the 2 arrows, if you press them down at the same time, you'll see the interface change. Just like that. And PO1 is for the your back light brightness. You can adjust, and it just changed back. And the other setting is, well, let's get it back there. You're not doing anything, it kind of shuts off. Oops, it shut right off. Let's put it back on. Okay, so it's back on, and let's get it to the other interface again. Okay, and the speed, well, that's set to specifics for the laws within the city or town or country that you're in. So in other words, they don't want you messing with the default settings, because the bike could end up going a bit too fast. So anyways, I really wouldn't mess around with those ones unless you know exactly what you're doing, and unless you know unless your laws in your city allow you to go faster. So I'm not going to delve into that, but that's generally how it is. Now, I will show you how these gears, they easily, just a slight touch and they move up and down, but you can't really work these gears when a bike is stationary. It's not good for the bike, okay? So never click these gears when the bike is stationary, okay? And when you have your bike, when you've done your ride, always top the bike up, meaning charge the battery to 100%. So every time you're going out, make sure you have the battery at its peak performance at 100%, okay, when you take it off the road. So I think I've pretty well covered most of everything, okay? So as you can see, it's on the on position right now, and to get this back off the controller, all you got to do is press the M right here, and it's off. So now it's dead again. So right now you can ride it just as a normal bike, okay? So once again, let's put it back on. When you're riding, this is pedal assist 1, okay? And you can go up as you're riding and it'll just take off and as you're pedaling, and you can go up to 3 as you're pedaling. It goes faster and faster, and you can go up to 4. This is a little too fast for me, and 5 is ridiculous, okay? Again, in part 2 I will show you this as I ride it, okay? And let's bring it back down, okay? Now if you continually hold the bottom arrow down, okay, whoa, see it move there? Okay, now if you're in a large hill and you can't get up, now that's another thing too. With pedal assist, I tackle some really, this is rated at 15 degrees, you know, a hill climbing capability. I handle some hills a lot steeper than that by using pedal assist, getting a little momentum, and it took me up like there was nothing, like there's no tomorrow. I put it like in 3 or 4, and it took me up some dirt hills. I went in some trails, and I couldn't believe the functionality of this with pedal assist, okay? Now, holding this down right here, let's just say you have a really steep hill and you can't get up and you want to walk the bike up. If you hold this down, it goes into 5-mile-an-hour speed, meaning that you don't have to push the bike up. The bike will carry itself up, okay? Now, it's rated for 5 kilometers an hour. Now, this here is your throttle, okay? Okay. Now, right now it's at 0, so you're not gonna get it. But if I put it on 1, Sorry, pressed the wrong button. I put it in 1, and I, whoa, jeez. I'm telling you, you gotta watch out with these bikes. They shoot out, okay? If you don't want to pedal or do anything, your throttle is right here, and it's on 1, okay? Now, when you are traveling with pedal assist, you can still find a good gear to give you some exercise, okay? So I was on it for about 10 kilometers yesterday, and I found all the gears I needed to find to keep my legs moving so I can get an exercise, but it was kind of effortless. But you do get a leg workout if you do that. And on top of the pedal assist, the battery lasts a long time if you do pedal assist, okay? If you want to sit on it, I think it's rated at 35 and 120 with pedal assist, so you get 35 kilometers out of this battery, and I believe it's 120, okay, with pedal assist. I went in 10 kilometers yesterday, and the bar didn't even move because I was using pedal assist, okay? So anyways, this here is the E Mini B by Emmo. I've enjoyed it so far. I don't work for them. I just review and put it in my my YouTube channel. And in part B, I will actually show you this baby in action. And let's press the M and toggle off. It's off now, okay? So right now it's just a bicycle. And I am going to, it's in the on position, turn off and pull my key out. And when I get a chance, I'll make more vids. So let's take one more look at this baby. The e-bike mobile.